So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2. Let me sum up. So, again, I would like to tell my dear students that from 15th February, your third unit test is going to start. Third unit test will begin from 15th February. Okay, in that two chapters are there. From this chapters only and all activities only, I will ask one word, one line question answer, 4-5 line question answer and blanks. Okay, now activity 8. Let us see activity 8. Real writers share their writing with other writers and help each other improve their writing. Okay, real writer will share their writing with the other writers and then they will try to improve their writing. You can form your own writers group. You can also make your writers group. In the group, you will do the peer view. Peer view you can see. Peer view. Peer means the people you like or of your same age, like your classmate. Okay? Which means you will review the writing of your peer. You can review of your peer group, your classmates, okay, of the same age, same interest, same job, like your classmates are there. For example, if your classmate and his name is Jatin, he uses too many words that show how very much he likes the story, how much he likes in that, so many words he used. And your classmate another, Kajal, she forgets to reference the source. That reference she forgot, to source she forgot. Now your view might look like this. Now when you give the review, then it will be like this. Now it is given here like example is given about peer view. Now checklist you can see. Here the writer's name is given, about source is given, neutral, reference, main idea, details show how main idea express, your suggestion to help writer improve, that is also given. Now Jatin, in that he had used source. Neutral he has not written. Then references he has written, main idea he has written, details show also the main idea express that he has written, suggestion, change filling words to neutral words. Then Kajal, she also wrote about source, neutral, but references she did not write. Main idea she has written. Details show how main idea expressed, that also she has mentioned. And our suggestion is that she need to give name of source and author, that she had to give the name of the source and author. Okay, the new words are there, the new words are given here, okay, that I will give you in PDF, that you can see, you can complete your fair notebook. Okay, now activity number 9. Let us see activity number 9. Sit with 5 or 6 of your classmates, share your summary. You will use the peer, okay. Then review, checklist, the mark. You can do checklist, the mark, the part of each summary you hear, that you can do. Here different friends' name you can write here. First of all, friends' name you can write. Then about how it is mentioned here, you can write. Neutral, that also you can mention. Reference also you can write. About main idea also you can write. Then details show how main idea express, that also you can explain, you can write. Your suggestion to help writer improves, that also you can make here, okay, which is given an example. I have also given PDF, okay, I will give along with video PDF, that also you can see, right, okay. That is just for your practice. This activity 8 and activity 9 may not ask in your unit test. Activity 8, activity 9 may not ask in your unit test. Now share your suggestion with the writers in your group. Consider their suggestions to improve your own writing, that you can improve your own writing. Real writers know that writing can always be improved. That is, a real writer know how the writing can improve by suggestion. Now find one way to improve your summary. How you can improve summary that you can find. Make a changes. Record what you did here. You can record also. You can find what you have done here in this. Okay. That also I will give. I improved my summary about Tom Sawyer by changing the personal point that you can share your ideas, you can share your suggestions, how you will improve, how you will change, and how you will give in a different writing. Okay, that also I will send in a PDF that you can see and you can do. Okay, so my dear students, here is end of activity 8 and 9. That just for your experiment, just for your understanding you can do. This activity is not going to ask in a third unit test. Okay, so here we will stop. Thank you very much. See you later on. Goodbye.